Okay, let's open it.
This is what we're making today.
Let's open it.
Great for the Halloween season.
Yeah. Oh, let's see what's inside. Ooh, marshmallows. Okay, so it has marshmallows in it.
That's the mold.
The mold. And what are these?
Rice Krispies Treats.
Rice Krispies Treats. And this is
the food coloring.
The food coloring. And what are these three?
The icing.
The icing.
And that's it.
That's it.
Okay, so step one, we have to wash your hands anytime you are going to work with food.
Okay.
And then we have to heat butter, so you're also going to need butter for this. And kids, definitely make sure that you're doing this with an adult. Don't try doing it on your own, so make sure mom and dad are doing it with you.
Ooh.
I am melting the butter. Okay, so now butter, melted butter, and the marshmallows are now in the pan. So now we have to melt the marshmallows. Now I'm gonna add the orange color powder. Whole thing. Whoa, that's super orange. So this is the melted butter, the marshmallows, and the orange color powder. It looks pretty scary, but we're just gonna keep on melting those marshmallows. Okay, so the marshmallows are still melting. So Zayden, what do you think of how it looks?
It looks a little bit reddish. Well, let's just find out when we put the Rice Krispies.
Okay, so all our marshmallows finally melted, so we finally added the Rice Krispie Treats, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix it in. Okay kids, so here it is. Melted butter, mini marshmallows, orange food coloring, and the Rice Krispie Treats all mixed in together. So now I'm just gonna take the Rice Krispie Treats out of the pot and put it into a bowl.
Okay. So we are going to grab a bare hand, then put it in here, then take it out, then that's when you can start decorating. Yeah! Yeah! So let's do it.
So basically we're gonna take the Rice Krispie Treats and put it in the mold. Keep in mind I've already washed the mold.
Not the mold?
So go ahead and take a handful.
Handful? Cool.
Stick it in.
Stick it in. We put it down. Whoa. Whoa!
You gotta fill up the mold all the way.
How feel tickets?
Now keep in mind kids that we did also cool the Rice Krispie Treats, so it's
cool.
not
It's a big good cool.
so it's not
and
burning hot right off of the stove. We've probably been letting it cool for about 5 minutes now, so it's not super hot.
Oh, ew! You can put more than you want. That's so big. I am.
So basically, just take it, spread it. You gotta spread it and fit it into the mold.
Okay. 3, 2,
So
1,
what do you think?
Okay.
So I'm just trying to even it out. And here, I'll give you a close-up of what it looks like in the mold. So they're pumpkins.
Wow, cool.
Okay, so now we're gonna take them out of the mold. Ready?
Wait. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Okay.
3, 2, and 1. Orange. Good.
All right, so here's what it looks like. It's supposed to be a pumpkin. Okay, and here's the tall pumpkin. Oop.
Top pumpkin.
And then we're gonna take the icing. So they gave us green icing
And black icing.
and black icing, like
Guys.
Zayden said. I've already cut the tips off, so again, you'll need an adult to take off the tips of the icing. And then you just go ahead and decorate. So what color do you want? Green or black?
Green. I pick green.
Okay. Which pumpkin do you want?
I want green. I want the green.
Okay. Okay, you put it on here. You put it on your pumpkin. You want to make an eye?
Oh.
No, on the pumpkin, like Kuya.
Then put a nice smiley. Oh, then
You need green? Do you need green?
I'm just going to put a nice little, like, I should put a little bit more. Now let's put the eyebrows. Yeah. Oh, this is so dark. Now a nose. Now I'm just gonna put like finish the mouth. Finish. Oh, cool. It got peaky. Finish. Now let's just put a giant. Just fill in the mouth. Like now I just need to add the circle. Now I am filling in my mouth. It looks like it's a part of the mouth, but I'm really making the head of it. Yeah. Make a Oh, that smushed it. Smush. Yeah. That's what mine looks like. Now let's go to my brother's.
Let me see, Zealand. Let me see. Move your head.
Okay.
Whoa, what is that?
It looks like he is putting like the top. So we are going to make another one because we still got a lot in the bowl, so we're gonna make another one. So this is mine. It doesn't look like a Z anymore, but which is you can a little bit see the Z. And I just need I'm gonna put like a smiley. Let's put a smiley. Smiley. That's a funny smiley. It actually looks like eyebrows. Now Zealand's. This is mine. Now this is mine. And let's just put like fill this up like how much you put in a black? Oh, I am filling up some more. That's what it looks like on theirs. And yeah. Now I'm just putting the outside. I'm just decorating on the sides. Now, here we go.
Let me see.
Look. Oh, I got a gate. I gotta have a way.
That's your pumpkin?
Let's see what it looks like. One more spot. Okay, I am done. This is mine. Okay, so this is mine.
What about the other one?
Green. Okay, so this is mine. Cool. This is my other one. And cool. Zealand's a green and a black one. Yeah. Cool. So it's almost time for taste test. Zealand, wanna eat it? Yet. Okay. So let's taste it. Zealand, wanna eat it? No. So I'm gonna eat mine.
Do you like it? Does it taste like Rice Krispie Treats? Just orange?
It tastes like Rice Krispie Treats. But the frosting tastes like vanilla.
Oh.
I'll see the other one. This one is more vanilla-y.
The green one?
Mm-hmm. Look at that, vanilla.
Nice. All right, kids, so if you want to try this Rice Krispie Treats pumpkin kit, we got it at our local grocery store. Our local grocery store is Safeway. It was about $6 for this box, so yeah, go ahead and try it. It's lots of fun.
Click the notification bell, subscribe, and press that thumbs up button, and karate!
Bye.
Bye! Bye!
Hey, so Zayden, what are you doing with those Rice Krispie pumpkin treats you just made?
A sandwich.
A sandwich?
Uh-huh. What, Daddy? I put it here. Take a... Oh,
And what happened to you?
Happy you.
Well, let me see your hands.
Hands.
Wow.
Where you go? I go get go. Ah. Ha!
How's the sandwich?
Sandwich.
Okay. All right, say bye, guys.
Bye.